Good day, doctor. I'm Esther, and today I'm going to talk about gas chromatography for my assignment 2. So, let's continue. This is the content from my presentation today. First, I will talk about the basic principle of gas chromatography. Second, the function of gas chromatography. Third, I will show the schematic diagram of gas chromatography. And then fourth, the advantage and disadvantage of gas chromatography. And last, the list of references that I use. Okay, first I will show the basic principle of gas chromatography. Gas chromatography is a process of a separation of a mixture into its component by using a gas as a mobile phase. As we can see, there are three parts of gas chromatography system. The mobile phase, this using gas as a carrier, and then the oven which contain switch, injection port, detector, column separating, and lastly, the recorder, which is the computer. Second, I will talk about the basic principle of gas chromatography in video. As you can see, this content in the gas chromatography, which is the column, the sample detector, this is the oven, the gas carrier, and the gas and the data system. As you can see, this is what happened inside the injector as the carrier gas go inside the column, and then the sample will be put in. And this is what happened inside the column. As you can see, there are three types of chemical here, which the blue one will reach the detector first and then will go into the system. Yeah. And then this is what happened in the detector. As you can see, as the carrier gas inside and then the column, and then here the signal which can happen to produce the graph. And then next, I'm going to talk about the function of gas chromatography. Gas chromatography used in organic chemistry for the separation and analysis. It's separating different chemicals based on their volatility by using gas as mobile phase. So this is what content in gas chromatography in the system. First, it has carry gas tank, pressure control, and then injection site, the column, the detector, and the recorder. As you can see here, the carrier gas, the pressure control, the oven, and then the data system. Next, I will talk about the schematic diagram for gas chromatography. First, you will have a carrier gas, and then the flow control, the oven, column oven, which contain the sample injector, the column, and then the detector, and then the data system. And then, as you can see here, the mobile phase supply, this one is the oven, which contain injection, columns, stationary phase, and then the detector, recorder, and then the integrator. And then I will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of gas chromatography. The advantage of gas chromatography is the time and high separation sharpness. And then second, it can use a longer column to produce high separation efficiency. And then third, the gas have very low viscosity. And then fourth, the rapid analysis and high sensitivity. 5, it will separate almost kind of mixture. And then the advantage of gas chromatography, it is limited to volatile substances. And then second, it's not easy to separate mixture that used in large quantities. And then third, the gas mass pass of liquid phase is not reactive to the stationary phase and solute. Okay. This is the list of references I use, and that's all from me. Thank you.